Now the next domain we'll be focusing here is relating to network management. Now in the previous video we have seen the server administration options. Now basically in network management you are responsible for maintaining a network. Again, there is a lot of options in this. Now maintaining a network have a wider scope and more better growth prospects compared to the server administration. So mainly you are responsible for maintaining a LAN. So when you talk about LAN, it's not just 10-20 devices. If you take any organization, they may have thousands of devices in the campus where you have 3 to 4 buildings, and you need to maintain those networks. Because let's say if one guy says I'm unable to access internet, or maybe my application is not working, or maybe I'm unable to authenticate, so you need to fix it. So mostly, like if you're not a technical person, you can simply take an example of basic internet, but it's beyond that. So the job roles includes monitoring your network performance, make sure that it is up and running most of the time, and also troubleshoot the networks and fix the issues if in case by using some kind of monitoring tools or the softwares. Now we use different devices switches used to connect a LAN, routers connecting to the WAN. Just like, if you have a company, probably maybe an organization spanned over different parts of the world, maybe you have 10 plus branches throughout the world. They interconnect with each other. So it's like a big picture. When you talk about networking, people see it as a small picture, but it's actually vast and big. Even some security devices, even some VoIP devices like voice over IP, because nowadays everything is voice also going over internet, access points, so wireless LAN controllers for wireless devices. So we can say LAN, WAN, plenty of things. So there are different vendors in the market who actually provide all these devices. In that, Cisco is one of the leading manufacturers. Now most of the devices used in LAN and WAN, when you talk about any company local network or wide area network, so majorly we use 2 devices, switches and routers. Switches are used for LAN, routers are used for WAN. Cisco is one of the leading manufacturers of these devices. So probably you can find some more information here. It's one of the largest networking company in the world. So develops, manufacture and most of the networking devices from Cisco. So again, technology wise, all the other vendors also, the basic functionality is still the same, but Cisco have a better options. Like I said, it's a leading manufacturer and also provides some certifications and support is far more better than any other vendors. So basically, if you want to make a career in network, probably Cisco provides a better scope, and they provide certifications in different levels. Like CCI is one of the expert level certification, or even considered as one of the top IT certifications. So you can actually figure out these things. Again, getting into expert level, initially you can either plan or you can just move on or make your career in CCI as well. So different certification tracks, as I said, Cisco offers. There are different specializations. Like basic track is like CCNA, routing switching. Basically start with this, then you can advance your skills in different tracks. So there's a wide scope here, because the more specific technologies you add or the more areas you expertise, the more growth options are there. So routing switching, again, security deals with implementing network security. Service provider track deals with the internet service providers or the service providers who offer you the internet or WAN services. And even there is a separate track for wireless. Again, these are like most popular tracks, 1, 2, 3, and I'm certified in all these 3 certifications, CCI in routing, switching, security and service provider. And even there are some specific tracks like collaboration and data center. These are the other 2 most demanding tracks apart from these 3. Now collaboration deals with voice and video tracks. Like nowadays we use VoIP applications, even we do video conferencing applications, not only on the internet, even inside the companies. So they use some special devices called IP phones, specific devices. So you actually learn how to deal with those things. So if you are from communication background, probably this track is something really suits you more, because it's relating to communication, not into a telecom, but basically even most of the telecom companies moving on to this. A data center majorly deals with virtualization and cloud concepts. But again, Cisco have a lot of scope. Again, Cisco is also working on cloud track, CCNA cloud, CCNP cloud. There are different options. So probably you can go through with the Cisco. As I said, this is one of the top networking vendor. But again, you may learn from other vendors also, depending upon the job roles. But if you want to make your career in networking, probably this is like a first step you can actually plan